What's up, winners? Welcome back to another video at Stay Winning Podcast. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm so happy that you're here. Today, I'm bringing you this, and that is the Spark 1% Cashback Business Credit Card by Capital One. So I wanted to make this video because a lot of the information out there is outdated. The credit card doesn't even look the same, and other people are embarrassed to be seen starting from the bottom. So this is me being more transparent with you, and the goal is to bring you value. This channel is about me wanting to see you win. So if you're new here, I'm happy that you're tuning in. This is a channel where we talk about real estate, finance, business, crypto. So if that's what you're into, please hit the like and subscribe button. I really appreciate the support. So let's go over this credit card here. And yes, this is my first business credit card, and it's a Spark 1% Classic Business Credit Card by Capital One. So it gives you 1% unlimited rewards. So it's 1% unlimited cash back. And that's for your everyday purchases, whether it's gas, whether it's food, anything related to your business, you're going to receive a 1% cash back. Another pro about this card is that there's a $0 annual fee. So that's very, very good. One thing I hate about some credit cards that have annual fees out there is that some of them charge them monthly. So even if your credit card has a zero balance, it's always going to accrue a balance at the end of every statement. So I do try to stay away from that on most credit cards if I can, whether it's personal or business. A con about this credit card is that there is no introductory rate or any promotion as far as 0% for the first 6 months like we're used to seeing on most credit cards. But that rate right now is a variable rate at about 29.74%. So this credit card is tailored towards people that want to build business credit, but at the same time, don't happen to have the best personal credit, right? So the thing about this credit card is that it's going to report to both your personal credit reports and business, right? So it's going to report to all three of your personal bureaus and a report to the Small Business Financial Exchange, which is an organization that advocates for the growth of small businesses. So you can actually kill two birds with one stone with this credit card, right? So you may be discouraged that there are no options out there for you if you have bad credit, anything pretty much below 600. But this credit card might be a good fit because when it reports to your personal credit, you have a chance to build your personal credit as well at the same time that you're building your business credit. So just wanted to bring you this information here. There are going to be limit increases. If you haven't received one and you've had this card for a year, you can request one on the application, right? So let's go over a little bit more of the benefits here. You can set up automatic payments, $0 fraud liability. You have year-end summary, so that makes it easy for reporting your business. You can get virtual cards, so if you happen to forget it, or if you want to shop online and you want to keep information a little more secure, you can go ahead and do that with a virtual card number. A great way to keep a record of your purchases. When it comes to tax time or any P&L report that's going on. So what you should know about this before you apply, you will need your EIN number for your business. That way you can start reporting on your business credit, but they are going to do a hard pull on your personal credit. So keep that in mind. I know that's a bummer sometimes for some of us, but sometimes those are things we have to do in order to take that next step. So to recap here regarding this card, right, it's a 1% cash back, unlimited, but you do get 5% cash back if you book a hotel or if you book a car through their Capital One travel website. So if you're doing business and you want to write it off, it is best to put it on this card and take advantage of that 5% cash back when it comes to traveling. So that's number one. Number two, you will need your social security number and you will need a tax ID number in order to complete the application. Again, this is tailored for people that have fair credit, so anything usually below 600. But you can build both your business credit up and your personal credit up with this card. So that is a benefit to that. There is no introductory rate when it comes to it. So that's a con, but just want to bring you transparent and clear, accurate information that you deserve. So if you think this card is for you, go ahead and check it out. I personally have it myself. I've had it for a couple of months already. I'm very happy with it. And I just want to let you guys know that there are some options out there if you don't tend to have the best credit. But this definitely helps you build your personal and your business credit. So any other questions, let me know in the comments below. Let me know if you have it or there's any cards out there that you recommend, and we can tell the community, to stay winning.